Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into a online marketing tutorial product named as email traffic profits. So this is a dashboard of the product, and in this video I will show you this product from inside, and I will give you a detailed review about this product. And also my second purpose is to show you my bonuses, kind of $7,000 bonuses will be given to you totally free once you have brought the product from my side. So this kind of bonuses, this is a decent value, and this kind of bonuses is collecting from so many days, and this will be given to you totally free. And I will tell you that I will show you my bonuses on the later part of the video. Now let me start with the product now. So this is the product dashboard, and this product is all about online marketing and how you can grow more and how you can be a successful online marketer nowadays. Okay, and this is a totally tutorial based course. Okay, so let me show you the videos. So this is an introduction video. This is not an introduction video. Let me clear you that this is written as introduction to sold and ad arbitrage, and all of the videos I have gone through some of them, and all of the videos are very knowledgeable. And let me show you some interesting thing that this guy has given so many stuffs, and also this guy has given not this let me show you marketing methods. Okay, so these videos are really valuable. I have gone through them, and I have related myself that I am also doing the same things, and these things are really relatable these days. And any email marketer or any newbie or expert email marketer can afford this tool. This tool is really good for anyone who want to earn online. Okay, so this guy is also giving marketing methods, bonus template, and you can use the bonus template and also banners of his product. Okay, and also email swipes, you can copy them and you can use them for your product or to promote his product. Okay, and reseller partner program explained, so you can copy and paste them. Okay, but it is, I think, a reseller partner program explained is meaningless for your purpose or for your online growing up. Okay, something like that. Maybe sometime I forgot what to say because my English is not good. I have a lackness of vocabulary. Okay, that's why sometime I stammer up. Okay, so these are the videos, and let me show you that what is the review and ratings and also the bonuses. Okay, so this is a meme created by me. Meme can easily tell about the product. That's why I always create meme, and it can make you smile also. Okay, that's why I create meme. And these are the ratings. As you can see, inside content given, it has got 99%. Inside value for money, it has got 98%. Inside market hits, it has got 93%, and overall it has got 9.8, which is an outstanding rating. And I never consider market hits inside this overall section. This is the average of these two, and maybe little bit lesser than average because I can't give it 9.85. that's why I have to give the rating 9.8. Okay, so this product is costs only $17, kind of a largest pizza's price, and this is the launch period. This is launching on 1st January 2021. Happy New Year, guys. And this guy is giving also you 14 days money back guarantee, and you have nothing to worry because the videos are really valuable for those who want to be a good online marketer or newbie or maybe expert. Okay, I have gone through them, and I am doing email marketing for more than 6 months, and online marketing and also email marketing more than 6 months, and I have gone through the videos, and I have seen that these videos are really good for also experts. Okay, so this is the descriptions about this product and also what you are getting inside this product. Okay, kind of 15 modules, and also these packages will be given to you. Let me show you for another time that these videos are also good for your knowledge, and also these stuffs will be given to you. Okay, now let me show you that I think the price is totally justified for this kind of product, and I highly recommend any online earner to get this tool. These are the sales funnels, and I have already cleared the front end product. Now let me start with the second one. The upsell one is Digital Reseller Masterclass, which has two categories of pricings: $97 for one time and $37 per 3 month. for 3 months, sorry. So the next upsell is affiliate marketing profits, 27 bucks, and also digital media profit, 27 bucks, and the last one is fast track coaching consultation, 97 bucks. Okay, you can go through the description if you want to. Okay, so I want you to visit this page, and you can do it very easily by clicking the video description link, and that is given below. Now let me start with my bonuses. I am very much eager to show you my bonuses, and actually one of the main purposes to making the video is to show you my bonuses. So firstly, I am giving you case studies. Let me clear you that I have tried to give you all types of bonuses, because that can grow you, that can build you from every aspects. Okay, I have tried to give you all of the stuffs, the base stuffs for you. I have collected them, I have gathered them, and that will be given to you. Okay, so inside case studies there will be 2 case studies, as you can see, but this is totally restricted for first 25 members, and this is I can't help myself, and this I am very much restricted about it, because who are taking this on the first come first serve basis, they should get the profit. Okay, so that's why this rule. Okay, inside Facebook help, these all bonuses are evergreen bonus. Whenever you purchase the product, you will be given Facebook help, you will be given YouTube help, you will be given these plugins, and also inside images and music you will be given 3000 plus Instagram and Facebook inspirational images, and also 25 royalty free music loops. Okay, so inside ebooks you will be given SEO keyword mastery, unbreakable link, full cost per action software video demo with resale rights, buyer list blueprint, and IM niche sales letter. Okay, so the main thing comes here, that software, inside software, that is totally restricted for only 15 members, and for these I also can't help myself. Okay, I have to restrict it because they are really valuable. Let me show you. So you can go through the description. I have given a small description for each of them, and you can go through them. Okay, I have put here 25 softwares, but let me show you the surprising thing here, that inside miscellaneous, so inside miscellaneous I will be giving you so many plugins and also software. Okay, so literally you are getting 10 more softwares inside miscellaneous, so literally you are getting 35 softwares and also some plugins inside miscellaneous section. Okay, so this is restricted to also 25 first come first serve basis member. And also if you purchase any upsells from my site, from my page, from this site, okay, you will be given this kind of bonuses, kind of 200 plus softwares and 75 plus plugins, 1k plus high quality graphics, 1.46k doodle images, doodle character images, these are really trending these days, and 100 plus miscellaneous product, kind of private label rights product. Okay, that will be given to you, and you can grow more and more with these kind of bonuses with this product. Also this product is also about online marketing tutorial and course. Okay, but this is not like the other course, the fake courses, but this course is really knowledgeable, and I have tried to give you a true review about this product. Okay, so what you have to do, that after purchasing the product, inside your Warrior Plus account you will be given the purchase history option. Inside your purchase history option you can get this bonus, that access affiliate bonus. Okay, so you have to purchase it, then it is only possible. You have to purchase any product from my site and my website, and then it will be possible. So that was the overview of the product, and that was the bonus overview also. So now I am signing out. Okay, now bye bye.